Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter again, and what you're looking at here is the Power Lead system, and this is the marketing system that I use to build my business online. With this Power Lead system, you have autoresponders, you have capture pages, and you have messages, pre-built, pre-written messages that will go out on your behalf. And I wanted to show you a little short training on how to place a video inside of a capture page. Now, you have to know how to build your capture pages. I have made videos on that as well. In the future, I'm going to try to combine them on one page so that you can go by steps. So right now, I just want to go through creating a subdomain and building the capture page and putting a video that I've already made inside of the capture page. So we're going to get started. I'm in my back office in Power Lead system. I'm going to click on the website and I'm going to create I'm going to copy a web page first. I'm going to copy. I'm going to pick one that has a video on the inside. And I think that I'm going to choose this one right here. Capture page with one email only. I do it like that. And I'm going to scroll all the way down. Well, I better create a subdomain to go on that first. Let's do that first. Well, we don't have to do that first. Let's go ahead and save the page that I want to copy. Say make me a copy. Now I'm going to give it a name. And I just gave it a name, title of this web page to show here in this admin area is placing a video inside of a capture page so I know what it is. And then I'm going to give it a name whereas people will see what I'm doing. Say uploading a video inside of a capture page. Okay, now I'm going to assign a name to this page that I'm creating, and I'm going to say video, placing a video. And it has to be all together. And this suffix is my this is my domain, market with Marlon, and the prefix will be my subdomain, placing a video. Okay, I'm gonna go down here and I'm just going to say save changes to the website. And I'm going to give it a background right quick. And I think that I'll just use one quickly because I don't want to take too much time into building this. I'm going to kind of revise this. Okay, now that's what they're going to see. Free presentation, creating a video, creating a capture page, and placing a video inside with Power Lead System. Okay, what I'm going to do, since I've revised the title of the page, I'm going to double click on the inside. This is where your video is right here. I'm going to double click, and the video URL will come up. And what I want to do is go get a video that I've already created. We'll go over here, go to videos, and here's one I just created a few minutes ago. A member of least ad space and getting more signups. Okay, I'm going to double click this one. Well, I'm just going to click on it and it will come up. There it is right here. What I want to do is grab the code starting behind the equal sign and copy it. Select it, copy it, and go back over to the admin section of creating my video. And what I'm going to do, behind the embed / I'm going to put the cursor right in front of that V and go all the way down to the question mark. I'm going to right click after I select it, then I'm going to paste it. That's the code that I just copied and pasted. Then I'm going to click OK. And now it all turned another color, blue, purple, whatever that is, blue, I guess. And I'm going to save my changes. Now, it should be in there. The video should be in there. So I'm going to view the page. You see what I've written on it? It's there. See that? There I am right there. As simple as that. My name is Marlon Carter. To get started, you can start with $7 to get inside of Lead Lightning. Just click on the link below, and we can get you started. Get more information on how to get started, and we will talk to you soon. Once you put in your email address, you will see that you can call me or email me. We can talk. We can get you started if you get hung up on anything. But the training is just an email away, a video away. It's very simple. Click on the link below. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. It's been a plum pleasing pleasure as usual. I must say bye-bye.